devil there would plague me in my life. I served a long apprenticeship at very honest trade, and met so many devils of whom I fell afraid. But father words came back to me when I wanted to back down. I looked each devil in the eye and boldly stood my ground. Stand up to your devils or they'll walk over you. Remember son, the devils come in many shapes and hues. There's devil that is handsome, the devil that is mean. Some of them will look scruffy and some look mighty clean. And women found me sweet, until I met McKenna, who knocked me off my feet. Oh Lord, was she a lover with a temper of a shrew. She not just knocked me off my feet, she knocked me black and blue. Sure she was a devil, dressed up in angel guise. When you least expect a cloud, she tipped you 20 eyes. She started talking marriage, each time she looked at me. I felt was time, I gotta know the devils of the sea. Stand up to your devil